Edom's pride and arrogance became their downfall. And countless time, when you look at the Bible, time and time again, God is warning us against pride. God is warning us against arrogance. Why? Because a lot of people in the Bible, the reason of their fall is because of pride. Every person who is proud, every person who is prideful will fall, will definitely fall. Yun po ang sinasabi ng Biblia. James chapter 4 verse 6, we are familiar with this. God opposes the proud but gives grace to the humble. Alam niyo po ba kung sino yung kaaway ng Panginoon? Hindi po ang demonyo. Sa tingin natin, demonyo. Feeling natin ito yung si Satanas. Pero yung totoong kaaway ng Panginoon, alam niyo po ba? Yung mga taong mayabang. Yung mga taong sobrang taas na hindi mo na maabot. Yun po ang totoong kalaban ng Panginoon. Because God opposes the proud but gives grace to the humble. The Edomites have put their faith in the wrong object. Ikaw, kapatid, where do you put your sense of security and self-esteem?